Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well, guys, one fine morning on Friday. If you appear in your IELTS exam on Saturday, then one fine morning on Friday, you get your IELTS result. And when you open the envelope and you see, wow, good band in 2 modules, good band even in 3rd module, and unacceptable band in 1 module. And that module is usually speaking or writing. Now, you look at your band score in 3 modules where you get your desired band. And then you look at your band score in 1 module and that is not your desired band. And because of that 1 module low band, that TRF, test result form of IELTS, is useless for you. And then you've got several thoughts. You think, what should I do? Should I apply like this? Or should I reappear in IELTS exam? And when you reappear in IELTS exam, there is another tragedy. You will increase your band where there was low band score, and next time they decrease your band, or your band gets decreased in one of another modules where you were not expecting that. That's the whole thing. Right? So over here we have a solution, and that solution is EOR, Inquiry on Results. If you're not satisfied with your IELTS result, if you strongly believe that you deserve a better band score in speaking or writing, let me tell you, EOR, re-evaluation, rechecking of your IELTS exam, it does not work effectively on reading and writing modules, because reading and writing is more like mathematics. Correct answer will give you full mark, incorrect answer will give you 0. Okay, but speaking and writing, because speaking and writing, these 2 modules are in the hands of examiners, so sometimes one examiner underestimates you and one examiner overestimates you and one examiner estimates you as per your ability. Okay, so your IELTS writing score and speaking score, these 2 scores depend on examiner as well. I've seen students who got very good band score because of the examiners, and I've seen students who are really good at English and they got low band because of examiners. So if you were marked wrongly by the examiner, and chances are only in speaking and writing module that an examiner underrated you, and then the next examiner is going to recheck that. So this process is called EOR, Inquiry on Results. It is only effective on speaking and writing modules. If you get low band in speaking and writing, and there is a difference, at least 1 band to 1.5 band difference between speaking and writing. I've seen sometimes speaking and writing both were 5, and after EOR, 1 increased to 6.5 and second increased to 6. So sometimes you can be marked wrongly by examiners in writing as well as in speaking in the same exam. So there is some fee for inquiry on results which you will have to pay. And once your EOR is successful, EOR successful means your band score increases, they are going to return your fee and they're going to issue you a new TRF, and that's gonna be fine. Okay, and if the result does not change, your money is gone, and that money is almost 40% of your IELTS test fee. Okay, 40 to 45% of your actual IELTS test fee, that is the fee for EOR. They charge you the same amount whether you go for EOR on single module or all 4 modules, and the duration is 21 days, 7 to 21 days, right? And as a result of EOR, Inquiry on Results, your band score will not decrease. Either it will remain same or your band score is going to increase. Okay, so this is one of the options, and students are usually not aware of such type of options. That's why I'm telling you about it. So guys, decide wisely. Okay, when you get your IELTS result and you see writing, speaking, low band score, listening, reading, high band score, or the difference in writing and speaking band, then you can go for EOR and wait for the result patiently. But remember, your money is going to be at stake. If the result doesn't change, your money is gone. If the result changes, you will get your money back. Okay. All the best, guys. Thank you so much. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and in campus in Lahore, Pakistan. And we offer IELTS test booking service in Pakistan. We offer study plans before IELTS exam. If you want to get any of these services, we've got IELTS writing assessment service. If you want to get any of these services, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wholeheartedly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.